Hi, in this video, I'll briefly discuss how to install, load, and use an R package. R packages are collections of R functions and objects for specific tasks. And there are built-in R packages, such as those functions available in the base R. And there are tons of user-written R packages. And R packages greatly expand the functionality of R. So only when you can use R packages can you become a powerful R user. So I roughly divided the process of learning about how to use an R package into several steps. First is try to find the documentation for the R package and really read the documentation carefully. Second, you need to install the R packages and then load the R package into the current R session, and then you can start to use the R functions or other objects in the R package once you load the library into the R session here. Okay. So here I'm going to use the R package summary tools. Let me go to this website here. First, I ran into an online article introducing summary tools. I thought it's pretty cool. So I did a Google search and I landed on this page. You can see this is the introduction to summary tools. This is from the CRAN network, from CRAN. So if you click into it, it looks like it's a tutorial of summary tools. So by reading this document carefully, you'll learn a lot about this package. Okay? And also, I pay close attention to this type of documentation, like CRAN and package summary tools. And they give you the name of the package and the purpose of the package. So summary tools have tools to quickly and neatly summarize data. Okay? And then it gives you some technical details. For me, I really pay close attention to this reference menu. So it's a PDF file. It has very detailed information about this package, including all the objects in this package, and also a detailed documentation and include examples. Okay, so basically, once you install the package, you can actually run some of these R codes in the examples of this document. Take a document, you can have develop an intuitive idea about how the package works. Okay. So let's come back to this R script file. To install summary tools, we use install.packages, parentheses, double quotes, summary tools. Okay. So R does it work? And install the package. And then we can load the library, load the R package, the library, summary tools. Now it's loaded. So if you want to really print out the list of all the functions or objects in the R package, here's a YouTube video, have very detailed steps for doing that. So to save time, I'm not going to go into details of that. But once you loaded the library, so all the objects in the library are available to you now. So if you want to learn, say, how do I use df summary as one of the functions. And on the right-hand side, you can see here, it says it's for data frame summary. So it's a df summary. Okay, that's descriptions and information about the function, all the arguments, the details. and then examples. Okay, um, so once you read that, so you can also, if from that previous document about this R package, you can see there's an object called tobacco. If you ask for help for what is tobacco, it tells you it's a simulated data set for tobacco use and health. Okay. So if you wonder if it's a data frame, you say it's data frame. It's true. Okay. Then you can use the DF summary on tobacco. So this gives you the output when it's summarized each and every variables in this data frame. Okay, so this is a very brief introduction for how to learn, install, load, and use an R package. Okay, and I think I want to make a comment that for the R packages like in the base R, the R functions, they are mostly reliable. And if you have an R package that performs some really complicated tasks, usually it will depend on many other R packages or functions. Those are called dependencies. So if an R package has too many dependencies, then very likely you're going to run into errors, bugs, somewhere, and it is maybe difficult to debug. And for some really advanced research methods, even the researcher provides an R package. Those R packages are not completely reliable. Sometimes it run into errors, and I usually contact the authors of the package. Most of them are very friendly. They respond to you, try to work with you. But the R package may not be totally reliable. So sometimes you just have to give up because more work needs to be put in to make it perfect. Okay, so I hope I shared some of useful information about